Hello and welcome to a guide on how and when to use accelerators in your epoxy coatings. Accelerators are formulated to help you speed up dry times on coatings, especially in colder temperatures. Start by laying out your materials and sundries. We are using a 41 Series Accelerator to speed up the dry time of our 4195 Direct-to-Concrete Epoxy Primer. We typically recommend using one 8-ounce can accelerator per gallon of epoxy in ambient temperatures ranging from 45 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 accelerators per gallon of epoxy in temperatures ranging from 37 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Before adding any accelerators, premix the A component to reincorporate any settled pigment. Then, combine and mix the A and B components. Now, add your accelerator to the epoxy and mix for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Adding accelerators not only speeds up the cure time of your epoxy, but also the pot life and working time, so you can work in smaller batches to avoid issues. Accelerators are a great tool to use during colder months, allowing you to still install many of our floor coating products and systems in a single day on most occasions. After the accelerator has been added and thoroughly mixed in, you are ready to start your installation by pouring and spreading your epoxy on your prepped concrete surface. Versatile also has accelerators for our polyaspartic and urethane products. Those have different mixing ratios, cure times, and installation instructions from our epoxy accelerators. See you next time!